headphones, you know. Radio. Rock beat. Yo, Nikom Panamilaroni. Rock beat. Of course, I feel like I'm dreaming. Radio. Welcome to the Van Rap Radio. On we are about to give you some news. Hey. I'm sorry, guys, to say this, but man, it's sad for our sister. It's sad for Zodwa. Yo, man, Fusi, you broke the girl's heart. Yes. You know, when you check all the pictures when they were posting, they were all having fun. They were vibing. It was all lovey-dovey and all that. But it looks like now things have changed. You know what I mean? Shanduka Vusi uko baisa Zodwa uko ulira. Yeah, zoraro. You know. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna give you a clip. Nibone zori what I'm talking about. I'm not joking. I'm totally serious. Zodwa, she said she's not gonna pretend or act strong, but she's just gonna let us see that like all those things. You know, she's always swearing. Yeah, it looks like this picture that you're looking at the corner is the one that really took Zodwa to a different world. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. www.arijol.co.za. Yeah. Bajenane pukamze wamuze Zodwa jenane pukamze the one with Ben 10 mararali chehezo. Yeah, man, it's very sad. It's very sad. As you can see on the picture, sorry. Musiri chambanga Zodwa where I post achiko complainer. If you haven't seen the video, uri vusindi fraud onone vusi omumbai sambilu. Vusi omukakera mutu achimurengera naziwacha achimurengera namumateki nazikhipa namini zona worth about 20,000 ya 20,000 the phone 18,000 the watch. You know, she spoke a lot of things akwambozora omubaisanga manda and she's coming for him, but right now she broke down, man. So I'm gonna take you through the video. Check out and listen to what she has to say, because yeah, it's really painful. Radio. Rock beat. Yo, Nikom Panamilaroni. Rock beat. Of course, I feel like I'm dreaming. Radio.
Guys, I'm making this video to show that senior song. I won't act tough. I won't act like a steering.
Yeah.
I won't act like Msazonyisa. I won't act like Bazonia. I'm just showing you that we all go through shit.
Yeah, guys. Yeah. Hey. Guys. I won't act tough. I won't act strong. I won't act like Msazonyisa. Oh, yeah, man. Yeah, and Zodwa, she's crying, guys. She's heartbroken. You know, if you haven't seen the video, you can check out the other video when she was talking about all these things. She was trying to explain everything between her and Vusing or Tangaroshubang Amanda to point that yeah, she's definitely looking for him, and in Nukambo over a Casey, no Casey on him Polisani, and then I want to Vusika make a shows or Vusi or Dobiwa or some Polisani or Cosmos around. That's also Chinyara. Nangazina ni dukan so na ni mwana ndo mahongoni wachito the bar follow one pala WhatsApp it's 0826937124 kana bar Twitter ni nema Van Rap Radio _ nema It's on Instagram kana va soko Van Rap Radio ato diriwana nema umahunguni ndi anepala uchita kama pungo na vizofi ndi Facebook na Facebook page muzika wa mahara is www.renderfiles.co.za kana var www.vanrapradiostation.co.za but ari mulilisa mwana wa vathu ri songo mulatela thavula we know ri yeah she actual hardcore and uri ene ahuna zwine nga muvhudza zwone but yeah guys ri khou zwi vhona uri ho to vhifha zwithu zwi khou mutshimbilela nṋe amara here ndi vha funa nga maanḓa na u khou ita nga khamera yanga zwi hevana kana ni khongo dzheniwa nga vho Zodwa nyana zwino na uzodwa nyana there's solve ezo maḓi maṱuku ayo mara amara here ndi ni funa nga maanḓa until next time let's meet again arali tsheka uri khou ita mini bolani ahuna